This is the Keltec P50, 50 rounds of 5.7 by 28. It has the same kind of magazine as the machine gun does, the FN P90. I've got FN blue tip Hornady ammo in there now. I just got through shooting 50 rounds of Federal 40 grain American Eagle, and they work flawless with the Federal. And now I'm getting ready to shoot it. Okay?
Continue.
It is a fun gun, and it's accurate as hell. I'm accurate. You can shoot a raccoon at 20 yards with it in the head. Look at that accuracy. It's a hog hunting gun. All you people in Texas, Louisiana, get this gun to kill some hogs.
That's it.
And that's it.
Nice.
That's all, folks.
Thanks for...
Here's the P50 Keltec suppressed with Federal ammo in it, 40 grain American Eagle, taking shots. I'm hitting the rock every time. That could be about 60 yards down there. Now I'm going to go up and take a shot at about 75 yards. If y'all watching this, I'm hitting the rock over and over again. Now I'm going to go to another rock. One in the water.
Cool. I'm smoking. Nice.
All right, more shooting. The Keltec 50 was suppressed. I'm going to shoot at a rock out there at about 280 yards.
Nice. More Keltec P50 with the suppressor. We have about half a mag, and we're just gonna shoot them on the other side of the creek over there. You ready, Kev?
Yes.
Right. There it is. That's a lot of fun. Suppressed, like everything should be. Thanks for watching.